Hey everybody, and welcome. Today we are here in Watertown, Tennessee, and we're getting ready to take you guys along with us to
Stars, Stripes, and Squirt Guns. Happy Tuesday.
Here at the historic square. You're gonna see some different tents setting up, fresh squeezed lemonade. Right over here is a craft vendor's tent. So right here in Watertown, Tennessee, in this historic square is where a lot of country music videos have been filmed. If you guys know the popular dance craze by Blanco Brown, Get Up,
Gonna do the two-step, then cowboy boogie.
it was filmed right here in Watertown. Also, Garth Brooks, Wrapped Up in You, the video, as well as a Dr. Pepper commercial.
Be original, an individual, like Dr. Pepper.
That Garth Brooks had back in the early 2000s right here in Watertown. And Taylor Swift is even filmed right here in Watertown for a music video that she has also produced. There's also a florist, flower shop here on the square. Right here is Barrett's Barber Shop on the historic square. And there is Dainty Darlin'. Looks like an old boutique. Everything's closed down today, of course, for the 4th of July. But here's Doggone Good Designs. Looks like they make signs and other personalized items. Right over here is an antique store. Some very interesting antiques. And over here is another really cool antique. Looks like it was an old ride you'd put a quarter in. Looks like a mule or a donkey. Oh, and a cat. Random cat. We woke up from its slumber. Right here is the town's public library. Right on the square. Right here is an old fitness center called 204 Fitness. Right over here is City Hall. So let me tell you a little bit more about the town of Watertown. The town was actually named after a guy named Wilson Waters. Wilson Waters had the first and only general store back in the mid-1800s. And the post office moved to his general store, and it became known as Watertown. Back in the early 1900s, they dropped the S, and it became known as the town that we know it as today, Watertown. Watertown is an old whistle-stop town that was known for its railway system between Nashville and Knoxville. And here is a coffee house called the Adopted Farmhouse Coffee Company. It was voted as a finalist for Wilson County, which is the county that we're in, as the best coffee shop back in 2022. Right here is an old laundromat. Over here's a drugstore, another flower shop, and a bank. Fresh fruits and vegetables, as well as a lemonade stand. Love this old Dodge that they have here in front of the bank. How cool is that? And Adopted Farmhouse Coffee actually has a little setup here in a horse trailer. How cool. So we ended up getting some lemonade from Nana's Lemonade, and we got the strawberry lemonade as well as regular lemonade. And you may be wondering why there's squirt guns here and why this event is called Stars, Stripes, and Squirt Guns. So during this parade, they will be squirting us with squirt guns, and we're going to be spraying back everybody in the event. So should be a fun time.
back in 1957, guys. Thank you,
I thought this was a water cannon that she was holding. It's actually a camera. Now that is a water tank right there. Yeah, it does. Oh, look at that. That is like a real garden hose right there. That was the Stars, Stripes, and Squirt Gun Parade here in Watertown, Tennessee. Gentry, what'd you think about the parade?
I was soaked, and when I heard the news that we were coming to Watertown, Tennessee, I brought the biggest squirt gun that I could find, and I still ran out of ammo, but all in all, it's a great place to come.
Next year we'll have to
Yes.
load down our cooler in the back of the truck with water, right?
Yes.
Henry, what'd you think, bud?
We should get a bucket, that way we can fill up these.
That's right, we need more water, don't we?
Yeah, because we just need a bucket of full water.
Did you have a good time?
Yeah, they sprayed me all, but they didn't have too much power to do.
All right, and Jennifer.
I thought this was so much fun. I've never heard of anything like this. It's so unique and so much fun for the whole family.
What a great time here on Independence Day, the birthday of America, water in Watertown, Tennessee. What can we say? This was an absolute blast. Happy Independence Day, everybody. And to our friends up in Canada who watch our channel, happy Canada Day. We know that you guys had Canada Day a couple days ago. And guys, we thank you so much for joining us here in Watertown, Tennessee at the Independence Day Stars, Stripes, and Squirt Guns Parade. And we sure do look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Every Day is Saturday.
Woo!